Hi, this is Shannon from HomemadeLovely.com. Today I'm going to show you how to whitewash wood using Minwax's White Wash Pickling finish. You will need a couple of paintbrushes, some lint-free rags, pre-stained wood conditioner, wood stain of your choice, and of course, whitewash pickling finish. On your sanded wood, you're going to apply the pre-stained wood conditioner just to give it a really nice smooth finish. Let it dry, and then begin to apply stain to your project. Work in small bits and let it soak in for a minute or two, and then wipe off the excess to get the desired stain finish that you would like. Then let it all dry for probably an hour or more, and then with a brush you can apply the whitewash pickling finish. Again, work in small amounts just like you would with the stain, and wipe off the excess so that your finish is the perfect tint. If you'd like a more rustic finish, you can sand some of the whitewash pickling off, as you can see in the pictures. Once your whitewash finish is completely dry, make sure that you protect it with a wax or a polycrylic so that it doesn't yellow. And that's how you whitewash wood.